Now we start with list number 5, that is uniform acceleration equations. Okay. Whenever the acceleration is uniform, we are going to derive the equations of motion by which we are getting help to solve the questions. Correct? How to do it. First of all, we have a graph between the velocity and the time. This is the time. Let's say this is uniform acceleration. If it is uniform acceleration, let's say the final velocity is v and the initial velocity is u. Okay. So first of all, this is point O, this is A, this is B, C, D, and E. You know what is acceleration for velocity time graph?
You get the slope.
Yeah, slope of VT graph, right?
Yeah.
Slope means, can we say the slope of this line AC is given as CD divided by AD,
Yeah.
perpendicular divided by adjacent, and we have to measure the distances from axes itself. Can we write CD is equals to CE minus DE and AD as OE?
Yeah.
CD becomes CE minus DE and AD is similar to O. Got it?
Yeah.
What is CE? CE. CE is like that, which equals to V. Got it or not?
Yeah.
I am saying CD becomes like this one, and then DE, it is like this one. Can we say U? Hmm.
Yeah.
And OE is T. Am I right?
Yeah.
Can we write it as V minus U is equals to AT by
Yeah.
cross multiplication? And can we write it as V is equals to U plus AT?
Yeah.
This is the first equation of motion. This is called first equation. Got it? Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Now move on for the second equation. What is the area under VT graph?
Area, if you calculate the area, you should get the other one, the this displacement.
is area under VT graph. You are correct. We get displacement. Correct. So what is the area under VT graph? This much is the area.
From the line to the x-axis.
Yeah. On the x-axis. Correct. Can we say displacement S is equals to area of triangle ACD plus area of rectangle OADE. Am I right? Correct.
Yeah.
What is the area of triangle? Can we say half times base times height?
Yeah.
And area of rectangle, that's length times
Yeah,
width.
just add both of them and then that's your displacement.
Okay. So what is the base of triangle? Can we say AD is the base of triangle?
Yeah.
What is the height of triangle? Can we say CD is the height of triangle?
Yep.
Plus length of rectangle, again AD, and width of rectangle is DE. Got it? Half of AD becomes this one value, which is equals to T. CD becomes again CE minus DE. That is V minus U. Correct?
Yeah.
Plus AD against T and DE again. Am I right? This expression?
Yeah.
What we get? Half of T V minus U plus U times T. Hmm? Now, from first equation, V minus U, can we say it's equals to 80?
Yeah.
Now, put the value, substitute this value, U V minus U80 here. What we get is equals to UT plus half of T into 80. So we get S equals to UT plus half A T square. This is the second equation of motion. Clear with it? Is this make sense to you?
Yeah.
Great. So
The
these
second
are the
one
mm,
the second one should be minus 1 over 2 AT squared.
yeah. Where it is? Where it is? Tell me.
What do you mean where?
There is one more